A big hello to all you lovely viewers and welcome back to Tech2, where you get to know the latest and greatest tech products in the market. Today we are here to take you through the Samsung Galaxy Tab. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here's the first look. The tablet is pleasantly thin at 0.7 centimeters and weighs under 465 grams, making it super light yet a very sturdy option. The 10.4-inch screen size is very sharp, making it an excellent tablet to watch your favorite shows, play games, or just browse the internet than on a phone. The design is really unique with the metal unibody and slim screen borders, making the screen look bigger and easier to navigate. The tab measures 24.5 by 15.4 by 0.7 centimeters and weighs about 465 grams. It was launched in 3 unique shades: Oxford Grey, Chiffon Pink, and Angora Blue. Specifications: it has a 10.4-inch touchscreen display with the TFT technology and a resolution of 2000 into 1200 pixels with 16mm color support, making it a superior quality device. It's powered by a long-lasting 7040 mAh battery with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory that is expandable up to 1 TB for a smooth performance, making it convenient to use all day. The device is powered by 2.3 GHz Exynos 9600 octa-core processor, making it a super ideal device for running multiple apps at the same time. Camera: there's a flash-free 8-megapixel camera on the back and a 5-megapixel one up front that's a delight for all you photography lovers. The rear camera has autofocus that lets you take high-quality close-up shots. The 5-megapixel front camera on the front is best for taking selfies. Both the front and rear cameras can record videos in up to 1080 pixels, getting you the best quality memories. Performance: it is equipped with powerful dual speakers with Dolby Atmos sound that deliver rich and 3D sound for an immersive audio and video experience. It seamlessly syncs your Galaxy smartphone so you can always stay connected. Comes with S Pen to further personalize your tab as your note-taking companion, so you don't have to scramble for a pen and paper for some quick reminders. It runs Android version 9.0 Pie operating system for a super smooth processing. Now the reasons to buy. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is an excellent choice loaded with quality features, making it an entertainer and a useful device. Guys, if you're on the lookout for a tablet, this one is hands down best looking tablet you'll find at a great price from one of the big names in tech. So it's goodbye from us, and we'll be back soon with the latest and greatest tech products.